me tell you very honestly that I don't have six-pack, nor do I have huge biceps. There's nothing to be flexed about, you know. Hi guys, so right now I'm out here in New York Sports Club in the middle of my workout session, but I just want to share something that I really believe and something that I feel like I need to share with you guys. So today I want to talk about discipline. I know the moment you heard that, you know, you don't want to watch this video. Remember, discipline is just a matter of time, you know. It's all about time. Just keep doing it for 10, 20, 30 or best 40 days, because once you have your discipline right for a certain period of time, it becomes your habit. So why is habit important? For example, I have the water, right? So okay, did I think before drinking water? No, because it's a habit. Do you think while brushing? No, it's a habit. Do you think before eating? No, it's a habit, right? This thing has become your daily habits, right? That's why you don't think. So get your discipline right. They say like 21 by 90 days. 21 to set the habit, and once habit. All right, I mean habit. When I was doing the translation, it usually says like have it, you know. So set your discipline right to make it a habit, and when it becomes your habit, it becomes your lifestyle. Like drinking water, brushing, sleeping, waking up, all this thing, right? So very important. It's a great gift that you can give it to yourself. You could be starting a workout, or like you could be creating something, designing something, or anything, right? Just get your discipline right first. If you're smart, you will dive into it straight up. So before coming here, did I think that I need to, or did I get demotivated or something? No, it has become my habit, because it's been more than 6 months that I have been trying to get it right. Now finally I got it right and I'm here. It's almost 11 now. But still, did I think before coming here? No, because it has become my habit. So that's how important it is. The final thing is setting the infinite goal, right? Just the way I already told you, I don't have this six-pack or amazing body structures and all this thing. While pursuing this filmmaking dream, it's been a few years out here in New York, chasing my dream like crazy, every day hustling, doing side job and all this thing. But do I expect to achieve everything at once? No, because I have an infinite goal. It's the process of achieving or getting to the top. That's more meaningful, that's more enjoyable, that gives the peace and all this thing. So it's always about the process, so never about the results, right? So Apple company, you know, Tesla, all this thing, they have like this 5 years goal, 10 years goal and all this thing. So although I talk too much, I just want you to get this three things right? Having this discipline right, making it into a habit, and which automatically gives you this amazing lifestyle, just like cherry on the top. Just have an infinite goal. Every day I have to come here naturally. If I don't come, I don't sleep well, I don't eat well, I don't feel good. All right, nothing gives me a good chill than this. Not even a chill beer. All right, nothing else. All right, guys. So yeah, guys, that's all for today. And let me enjoy my workout, guys, because the gym is about to close. It's been too much. All right, guys, much love, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. I really need your support, right? Yeah, that's all. You unsanitized hand. By the way, talking about the achievement, I did lose 25 pounds during this time. All right, so it does magic, guys. Work on what I just said. Whatever, guys, just wake up and do something.